Friends, we'll take some oil in a pan. Now for the gawar, I have first cut the gawar into these bit-sized pieces and then soaked them in some salt water and then given them a thorough wash. I'm using about 250 grams of gawar or pav kilo. Now once our oil is heated up, we're going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohori or rai, followed by 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, then half a teaspoon of asafoetida and half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. And now we're going to add our gawar or cluster beans and give all of this a very good mix. Now for gawar, you have to add salt immediately once we put the vegetable into the pan, because this helps in cooking it faster. So we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt or according to taste. Again, give it a very good mix. Now we're going to cover this pan and put some water on the pan and cook it on a very slow flame for 15 to 20 minutes. And we're going to keep checking on it every 5 minutes and stirring it to see that the gawar is nice and cooked. You can also add a little bit of the hot water which is on the lid to the gawar. That also helps in cooking it. It does take a little longer time to cook. That's why we're going to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, after about 8 to 10 minutes, once we open the lid, you can make out that the gawar is nice and soft and cooked. So now we're going to season it with some spices. So I'm first going to add about 1 teaspoon of goda masala or kala masala. I have uploaded the recipe for homemade goda masala. I will leave a link of it below in the description box. This I'm going to follow by 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Again, you can adjust according to your taste. And we're going to add a little bit of gur or jaggery. This enhances the taste of the vegetable. And we're going to mix all of this once again and again cover it and cook it for another 5 to 8 minutes till everything is well incorporated together. This is a very tasty and a very healthy vegetable. And it's very, very easy to make too. So we're going to cover up this dish and cook it again for another 5 to 7 minutes. And now our gawar bhaji is all ready. It has taken exactly about 15 minutes on a slow flame. You can either dry up the liquid, or if you like a little bit of a liquid in the vegetable, you can retain it. And now we can turn off the flame of the gas, and all we have to do is garnish it with some freshly grated coconut. This goes very well with some puri or roti or chapati or even with some. So I hope, friends, you'll like this gawarichi bhaji. And I would like to know in what way y'all prepare it differently. So please do not forget to leave your preparation recipe in the comments box below. See you in another recipe soon, friends. Bye.